EzAlgo V.6 is live, as well as our new complementary indicator, EzOscillator. So I'm going to break down everything for you very briefly in this video, and I will be doing some in-depth training using these new features very, very shortly. But for now, I want to give you guys just a basis on how you can start using this today and start making some profits. So in the V6 update, we have real-time non-repaint divergence signals. So the main issue with a lot of divergence indicators on TradingView now are a couple of things. One, they're repaint indicators, and two, they aren't actually real divergences, because for a real divergence to play out, price has to be making a higher high as momentum is making a lower low. Now on EzAlgo V6, we've actually fixed this for you, and we only show the real confirmed divergences when price is making a higher high. So I'm super excited about that. And also we have our EzOscillator. And guys, this thing is absolutely incredible. I'm gonna show you guys how to use this so you can start making some money as soon as possible. Now I'm on GBP, JPY on the 5-minute time frame. Yes, I'm on Heikin Ashi candles. These indicators work on standard Japanese candles. So don't feel like you have to use the Heikin Ashi candles. Personally, I like to use the Heikin Ashi candles when I'm using the oscillator, because I like to see those smooth waves. And when you're on the 5-minute time frame, guys, the Heikin Ashi price is very similar to the actual price, right? Like if I zoom in here on this buy signal, the actual price might have closed somewhere around here. So that is a 3 pip difference on the 5-minute time frame. So really you shouldn't worry too much if you're trading Heikin Ashi on the 5-minute time frame. And also on the V6, we've simplified the user interface, right? The inputs, we've cleaned it up a little bit. We have all signals, the standard signals, which of course are the buy and sell signals, the mild buy and sell signals, and then of course the divergent signals. These signals also come with real-time alerts. So if you guys don't want to be sitting in front of your computer all day, you can create an alert for EzAlgo V6. Come down here to divergence signal, or either divergence bull or bear signal. Now, my favorite part of this update has to be the oscillator. Now, most momentum oscillators aren't very helpful for a few reasons. The first reason they're not that helpful is because they don't have these high and low zones, right? These overbought and oversold zones. And the second reason they're not that helpful is because they don't have volume, right? You need to see what the volume is doing in the market. If the volume is trending up, down, or being stagnant, that can really play a key part in whether or not you take a certain signal. Now, how I personally use the oscillator, you don't have to do this. There's a ton of ways to use this, but how I like to use it is wait for price to come to a support level or around a support zone. So for example, you can see price is at this support level right here. So I'll be looking for a buy signal anyway. So the first thing I'm looking for is for price to come to a key level. If price is not at a key level, I'm not going to take a trade. So this is just a confluence indicator. But when I see that price is going into the oversold zone, you can see we have this red zone down here, and price is in this oversold zone. And you see that the colors are flipping from red to blue. That is going to be my entry for a long position. Reason being is that number one, right, price is at a support level that we're looking for. Number two, we are in the oversold zone and the trend ribbon is flipping. Number three, we have a mild sell signal here on EzAlgo. Number four, we have reversal signals. And number five, we can see that the volume is starting to increase, right? It's turning from red to blue. We just have 5 pieces of confluence to enter a long position. If we don't have all of those, then we're probably not going to enter the trade. We want to see all of these together in confluence. That's why I love the oscillator, because there's so much confluence and you can be very confident when you're entering a trade. And I can even go back further and you can see, once again, when you have these flips, right, this red to blue or this blue to red, when you're above these overbought and oversold zones, I'd say probably 80% of the time, price is going to go down, where we have that bearish divergence, mild sell signal, the volume is decreasing, we have this flip of the ribbon, we're going to enter a short position, right, and probably take profit as soon as the ribbon flips back, right? Volume is increasing. We see volume increases right around here with this buy signal. Price comes up, goes into our overbought zone, and the ribbon starts to flip. There we see the ribbon flips to red. We have a sell signal on EzAlgo on the candle to follow. We also have these reversal signals here and this mild sell signal. Volume is decreasing. We're going to enter a short position, take profit at the support level, probably somewhere around here. Now look what happens when the volume flips. As soon as the volume flips from blue to red, price goes down, right? Volume flips from red to blue, price goes up. So this is a super accurate indicator. in it of itself is the volume, so don't neglect the volume. Something else you can do with the oscillator is actually help mitigate false signals. As you can see, we have a bearish divergence here with some reversal signals and a mild sell signal on EzAlgo. But this is not a trade that we're going to take because the volume is heavy in the blue, right? We don't see a decrease in volume. If anything, volume is increasing. There's no decreasing volume here. And the ribbon is still in this thick blue, meaning that there's momentum going into the market. So that's not a trade I'm going to take. We also don't have any sell signals here on EzAlgo, so I'd be cautious. And here we go, right? We finally see we have that mild sell signal. We have that trend ribbon flip, and we have that sell signal on EzAlgo. So for me, that is enough confluence that I'm going to enter a trade right there because of that sell signal on top of all the other confluences. And if you wanted to, you could enter a little bit late, maybe right around here, because you can see that volume is definitely decreasing, right? If I enter on the closure of this candle, you can see volume is clearly decreasing, meaning I'm going to be looking for a short position, take profit at the next support level. Again, guys, that's another 50 pip move. And actually right now we should be in a long position because we came down to a support level. We have this mild buy signal, which is our first confirmation. We see volume starting to trend upwards, and we have that ribbon flip right around here with the EzAlgo buy signal to follow. Now we also have these blue and red dots here on the oscillator. These are volume buy and sell signals. So you can see we had this volume buy on the 15-minute time frame with confluence with that EzAlgo buy signal, and we would have made over 150 pips from that move. Price came to resistance. We have some bearish divergences, right? We're not taking these bearish divergences. The ribbon hasn't flipped. The volume is still heavy in the blue. That's not a trade that we're going to take, so we're going to wait a little bit longer. There we see the ribbon has officially flipped from blue to red in our overbought zone, so we can enter a short position there. If you want to go back and back test this a little bit, you can see pretty much every time that volume is starting to trend up and we get this trend ribbon flip with reversal signals and a mild buy signal on EzAlgo, more often than not, price is going to go in the direction that you are looking for. Again, these are the moves that you're looking for. These flips here in the overbought zone. Volume is decreasing. We get that sell signal. Wave trend flip from blue to red. We're going to enter a short position and price comes down. We're not taking any of these buy signals or worrying about any of these buy signals because we're clearly in a bearish trend, right? The wave trend is showing this thick red ribbon, meaning that volume is heavy in the bearish side. So we're not going to take any of these buy signals. We're also not at any support level. Again, we're not taking this buy signal because the ribbon flipped all the way back here. That's a late entry. And these divergence signals, by the way, work on every time frame. As you can see, I'm here on gold. We have this 15-minute bearish divergence followed by a 15-minute bullish divergence, and price goes up. So use this in confluence with the EzAlgo oscillator. Another thing you can do when you're catching these divergences is look for a lower high on the oscillator. If you see that price is making a higher high and momentum on the oscillator is making a lower low, guys, that's like a 90% win rate every time price is going to go down, especially followed by a volume decline and also a flip of the wave trend. Again, we have that divergence buy. We're going to look at the oscillator. We are in the oversold zone. Wave trend flips from red to blue with that buy signal. We're going to enter that trade. So this is probably my favorite update thus far. If you don't have EzAlgo already, be sure to click the first link in the description below. You'll get all three indicators: EzAlgo V.6, EzAlgo SR, and EzOscillator. At the end of the day, these are price action and momentum tools. So don't think you're going to get rich quick, but if you put in the time and learn the strategies that we teach, especially with our new tools, you will surely be profitable. And as always, our team is there to help you within the Discord, pretty much 24/7 access. So if you want to open a support ticket, tag me in something, even DM me, I'll get back to you. But I'm super excited to share this creation with you guys, and I hope you will enjoy it as much as I do. If you have enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more trading content, and I'll see you guys next video.